Clearing your search history on Threads can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the privacy options. Select the privacy settings to view your search history options. Step 5. Clear search history. Look for the option to clear search history. Tap on it and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure your search history is deleted. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Threads. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your experience and privacy on the platform.